Today, we're taking on a new DIY project and decorating with the help of our 32-pack of mini succulents. They come shipped to your door with all 32 nicely wrapped and organized. Open them up and lay them out, and you'll be impressed by the wide variety of shapes and colors of the succulents. They all come with a little stem on the bottom and make them look like a real succulent, just without the maintenance. There's no need to water these. They have a realistic look and texture, but they're made out of a PVC material, making them reusable as well as wear resistant. This makes them perfect for outdoor use. You can use them to decorate your garden, or add some color accents to your area, or you can use them for your craft projects. Make your own succulent pots that will last a long time, and interchange out the succulents to match your mood or decor. Pick a different succulent to showcase each day of the week. Or make a mini succulent garden scene and decorate with multiple at once. It comes with so many that you'll be inspired with tons of ideas for new projects. If you're a cat owner like me, you'll know how hard it is to keep indoor plants, especially ones that are toxic to them. And there are some succulents that are toxic to your pets. So why take the risk when you can get a variety pack of fake succulents that are durable enough that your cat can't chew through them? I've loved being able to decorate and create new scenes with these succulents. They look realistic and they're super bright and vibrant and bring a nice splash of color to any area. So if you're looking for a fun DIY project, this pack of succulents might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go watch my cats play with our harmless and durable succulents. See ya.